यंग पीपल भी आ रहे हैं, उनको भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि मैं इस स्पेस में आके काम कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
करेक्ट
राइट, और रोल्स भी ज्यादा प्रोमिनेंटली नहीं दिखते।
करेक्ट।
तो अगर किसी को स्टार्ट करना है तो व्हाट ही कैन आइडियली डू, जैसे कौन से कंपनीज को उसको टारगेट करना चाहिए?
Sure. One thing for sure is very clear that everybody wants to have a 1 lakh salary at start.
हाँ, this is
Okay.
because they ask you at the first itself, like
Correct.
कितना होगा सर?
हाँ. And believe me, Ganesh, sometimes I feel this younger generation is really good. Okay, we had some 300 CVs coming in 2 days.
Wow.
Okay, so if this generation is wanting to find job in personal finance, there are enough jobs. We are a youngest nation in the world, right? So ये youngest nation 25-30 साल के बाद old भी हो जाएगा, right? Like Japan that we face, right? People will become more older if we are looking at that gap to be filled up. Okay, so people's understanding for retirement corpus, okay, is just not there.
Hello guys, I hope everybody is doing good. Hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students who are preparing for competitive exams in finance. And as a part of that journey, we also get people from the industry to talk about different career opportunities and different roles that are available in the market and what is the current industry trend. And today we have with me Nisha Sangvi. She's going to be talking about her experience in the personal finance space. She has done MBA in finance. She has also completed CFP. She is also founder of a company, fintech company. And we're going to be talking about more about this fintech, CFP, and the personal finance in today's session. So Nisha, thank you very much for taking out time and talking to us. For the audience, if you can give us a brief in terms of your journey, okay, the education journey, then how did you started out your own company, and what was your intention of starting out your company?
Sure. So I have I'm a graduate in commerce. Then I did my MBA in finance and marketing from Kolhapur because my father had started a factory there. So that's when we moved to Kolhapur. So dual specialization happened because of that. Otherwise, Mumbai University had only one specialization. Yes.
Finance or marketing.
Yeah, so I got a chance to do finance and marketing, and way back it was like finance and marketing इसलिए क्योंकि अगर finance में नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी तो marketing में तो मिल ही जाएगी. So that was the thought of choosing finance and marketing. After MBA, came back to Bombay because the family moved back and started looking out for job. That time 828 banking ICICI had introduced, and we had campus then in Kolhapur, but I could not attend the interview, so I didn't get the job. But my colleagues, everybody got a campus placement across different companies, and I was hunting job in Bombay. So then I struggled a little bit at the start because, let me tell you, that time MBA was really recognized, and it was not everybody used to do it. Like today, a master's is mandatory. Right. So that time it was like when I joined a company, my only job that I did in my whole career, 12.5 years, and then became an entrepreneur though. The moment I had the job, learning from the ground level was very, very critical. Getting that job also was not so easy. That time also putting up on all the websites, going for interviews across Mumbai and making sure कि हाँ interview तो attend करो, अगर कुछ नहीं नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी तो experience तो मिल ही जाएगा. So that was always a thought. After MBA job, and then during the whole career, the most important part was continuous education. Okay, sometimes it happens that we forget कि एक डिग्री अचीव कर ली है, अब मुझे कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है.
ये mindset है बहुत लोग का mindset.
Exactly. So what I generally, the success that I have achieved so far has been mainly because of continuous education. Okay. So when markets had a very big fall in 2008, that is when I started doing CFP, Certified Financial Planning. Okay, planner. That's a certification, which is a global certification. FPSB USA is the parent basically. And then there is FPSB India, where we all Indians get certified through them.
Right.
And after doing CFP, that gave a very different perspective to career. Okay. And even when I started looking for first job, that time it was like my colleagues, my batchmates used to earn 15 to 18,000 rupees of salary, first salary. Okay. But my first salary was 7,000. Okay. There was a difference.
Yeah.
But when this was happening, my father told me only one thing, कि पहले 3 साल career के, the first 3 years of your career, somebody is going to pay you to learn. Okay. So it's like you're going to an education institute to learn. Somebody's going to
Right,
teach you.
right.
So if they give you money, great. If they give you decent money, very good. Okay, so take it what they are giving. So that is how my boss asked me, आपकी salary expectation क्या है? I said, आप जो भी दोगे, मेरा first job है, मैं ले लूंगी. And he offered me 7,000. I said, okay. That's
Okay.
how my career started, and I agreed for that salary. But when I went out and checked with colleagues, they were almost double of mine. But today I manage everybody's money.
So that was the first job was also in personal finance.
Yes, I started working in a company where they were first generation brokers, but earlier generations that were into hardcore business. Okay, into food grains and ghee and all of that. So their next generation came into the business of finance, and they were only hardcore stockbrokers, but they wanted to set up and have a expansion part. So sometimes Ganesh, I'll tell you कि जब भी हम कोई एक स्टार्टअप को ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं ना,
Right.
it's a risk. You have to evaluate the risk well. Okay, so I took that risk because I wanted to learn from scratch, from serving water. If anybody is there and the office boy is not there, the pantry guy is not there, till going on meetings with boss, and then eventually handling all the meetings myself. Okay, that journey or that time taught me everything, because you're a small setup. आपको ABC KRA नहीं करना है. It is open. Okay, so that is something was a turning point for my career to start.
Exposure जबरदस्त मिलता है आपको.
Absolutely. Sometimes when there is a guest and there's nobody to serve water, you just go and give water, right? कोई छोटा नहीं हो जाएगा, right? So वहाँ से I've handled the dealing desk also. So if the dealer is unwell or he's really, has to go and do something else without a delay within the market hours, then I have done sodas also on terminals.
Wow.
Okay. To also doing DMAT. Earlier DMAT transactions were physical. They used to call it early pain. आपको 3:30 when markets close, before 4 o'clock you have to make the pain so that broker will actually give you margin for the next day when the
Right.
markets open.
Right.
Filling up the DMAT slip without any mistake, because the person will go there, he'll travel another 20 minutes and then he'll reach there and do it. That is something which was unique. I was given enough responsibility always, and I was always there कि हाँ मुझे बताओ कैसे करना है, I will do it. I think that's one thing that is lifelong. अगर नहीं आता है तो सीखो.
So यहाँ पे फिर first job start हुआ. It was personal finance.
Yes.
You did everything.
Yeah, CFP helped me in 2008 when markets fell. काम बहुत कम था. There was no work. So my boss suggested कि pursue some course. Encouraged saying do CFP. CFP कर दो. CFP Certified Financial Planning. It changed my career today. That time I used to feel I've already studied till MBA. Why do I need to study again? But today I'm a special one standing in the crowd that okay, I'm a CFP. So that is something which really helped. And then with time, whenever there is a new thing required for the job, I have always done that. So after CFP, between the gap, then 2016 I did level 1 life planning. Sounds too much like a family concept ke life
Right.
planning, right? Ke family planning kar rahe hain. But life planning is very different. It's a US based course where I've done it from George Kinder Institute. George Kinder himself that time visited India, and I had a chance to learn with him. Though I've done only level 1, I'm yet to do the level 2. The moment I finish level 2, I'll get a certification called RLP, Registered Life Planner.
Okay.
What does it talk about? Money matters come much later. I feel that when we look at personal finance as a career, you are technically becoming a CFO for a family, right?
Okay, very good perspective.
Yeah.
Yes, very good perspective.
So if you are equipped, if you are a learned person, where you have learned some skill sets which are required to handle those situations. So life planning gave that thought where if you say that you come with your family or maybe your spouse and tell me, Nisha, we earn enough, but I don't know whether it's enough or not. So आज चल रहा है जो हम कमा रहे हैं,
Right.
कल और परसों का नहीं पता है. I don't have goals. I have never thought about goals. So that journey, asking those right questions, how are you part of that client's journey? I got to learn this from life planning.
Interesting. And then you started your own company. In which-
Yes. So being a Gujarati, it's always that okay, हम खुद business करेंगे. And when we were passing out from college in MBA, the thought was always कि अपना खुद का कुछ करेंगे 10 साल के बाद, थोड़ा सा कमाएंगे, थोड़ा सा ऐश करेंगे, and थोड़ा capital जमा करेंगे. And those was very different world. I mean, I would tell you something on college in Kolhapur. We didn't have projector then. I used to make presentations on OHP slides. प्लास्टिक की
plastic
पतली
और वो
फिल्म
हाँ,
होती है,
I got it. I've seen
आप
that,
उस
I've
मशीन
seen
पे डालो और वो दीवार पे
that. Every
रिफ्लेक्ट
time you have
होगी.
to remove the slide.
Yes,
हाँ.
for the next slide today we hit a enter. You change the slide manually. I've learned presentations on that.
Okay. Okay.
So from that background to today, when we do PPTs and now we do Canva, right? I mean, most of the times,
Yes,
easiest
Canva.
stuff is Canva. Coming back on the question of after the job part, the thought was that I want to not do a job where everything is money minded. You know, means if I'm having an interaction with you because you need advice, and maybe I will not make the money at the first go. I want to give that advice. So job didn't allow me to do that. Okay,
Samjha.
because I'm spending time on being on roles,
Samjha.
and I'm not making. The company is not making any money,
Right.
right? So that is something was the trigger for me. Okay, I want to do something of my own. So I left job, and for 3-4 months I didn't do anything.
Okay.
I took a pause. I gave a thought. I said, मुझे यही आता है, इसको हम better कर सकते हैं. So that is how my first company was born, Finomic. Okay, but always a continuous question: if you die, what will happen to my money? The client used to ask. Or if something happens to you, you're immobile, then what happens? So that thought was always back of the mind that we need to comfort this thought to the client. So then came in a thought where I happened to meet a friend and he proposed that, saying, let's start a company together. Fast forward to March 2020, we formed a company and COVID happened.
Okay.
We were going to build our own platform. To simplify, we were to be competitors to Zerodha or any other grows of the world and all of that.
Right.
We decided, okay, take a pause. Let's not rush, because the whole scenario changed after COVID, right?
Right.
Most of the stuff became tech and margins became more thinner. So when you run a business, you are clerk to CEO at the start when it's a startup, right? So when we were doing this, most interesting was everybody's home during COVID. Everybody has enough time. We didn't have licenses to do anything. So we used to just have interactions and calls and data mining that, okay, I mean, how do we create a pipeline? Revisiting the courses that I had studied, reading some good stuff which will help us ahead.
Right.
So that was something which really, I think sometimes God has a different plan for you. We didn't take the funding and we stopped. I mean, we said, okay, we'll do distribution of products.
So you were primarily into mutual funds, also investment advisory.
All type of in financial products I could sell. So it becoming an intermediary, or maybe simpler language, what normal people understand is agents.
Right.
But when I'm a CFP, I'm not an agent. Because I'm going to tell you what is.
You graduated from that. You started out as an agent, then you.
No, we were never. I was never an agent. We were always financial planners first. Because if you today tell me, Nisha, I have this X amount of money I want to invest, we will not tell you कि ये नया product है आप इसमें डालो पैसा. We will never tell you that. Because I'm an advisor. You've come to me for consultation, right? As you go to a doctor for a consultation, I want to become that financial doctor, right? That you have a family doctor, you have a family CA, you have a family lawyer. You need to have a family financial advisor.
Okay. Now, from the career perspective, now people, young generation who's coming up, I see a lot of college students, commerce students.
Yeah.
When they look for career, they look for either CFA, ACCA.
Yeah.
CFP or a personal finance space is not well. There's no much awareness about it.
Yes.
So if I ask you, what is a career opportunity that they can get in terms of job, in terms of salaries, highlight that.
So CFP is a very slow process, okay, believe me, because compounding takes 8 years to see in your investment portfolio, right? So CFP as a course also is a very, very slow process. One advice that definitely I want to give to people who are graduating today: you want to become somebody like us or be better than us, at least you need to give time. Today's generation is the reel and the short generation, right? You just slide it and you're done next. It does not happen that way. Compounding takes 8 years. So I generally always say that when you sow a mango seed today, the first mango will come after 7 years. And the good mango will come only after 8 years. Okay, so when you're looking at good mango tree, then you have to give water, fertilizer, you have to manage it, right? So when I look at job perspectives, or maybe today as a employer, that what I want to hire into, one thing for sure is very clear, that everybody wants to have a 1 lakh salary at start.
This is
okay,
because they ask you at the first itself, like,
correct.
Kitna hoga salary?
I just told you my comparison, right? When I started and my colleagues started, There was a difference, but I was okay to do it because I wanted to learn. So the advice to the current younger generation is, believe me, there is huge shortage of CFPs in India. Okay, let's not talk, just say CFP, say wealth advisors. Okay, this can happen. So CFP is one filter. One thing for sure is very clear, that everybody wants to have a 1 lakh salary at start.
हाँ, this is
Okay.
because they ask you at the first itself, like,
Correct.
कितना होगा सर?
हाँ, you do an insurance policy, they do a verification call. So that's a first level verification. Okay, एक global certification है. So that certification definitely helps. When you start studying that course, there are several modules in it, right? It talks about retirement, it talks about risk management through insurances, it talks about your investment options, investment planning, taxation. Then the whole case study is put together and you have to present. I think it's a wonderful career opportunity. And if I have to tell you on numbers, number of CFPs or number of advisors to the population of our country, approximately 28,000 लोगों पे एक advisor है. Look at the opportunity which is there. And if I have to be a very good advisor, I can manage really good 100 families individually. Now, as a firm, when I have more hands and more people working with me,
Right.
maybe we can manage 500, 600 families. And then when we expand more, maybe we manage 1,000 families. But believe me, paisa hai. Everybody is earning money. There is nobody to manage it. So, as a career, I really vouch for CFP. One should do it. So it's like a life skill, you know. I was talking to one gentleman today morning. He told me, I don't know driving. I said, but it's a life skill. You should know driving, right? अगर SOS घर की 2 गाड़ियाँ नीचे पार्किंग में है, but you can't drive.
Right.
And it was pouring and he wanted to go. So I said, then if you don't drive, then what's the point? And
Okay.
same like swimming, right? Same like swimming.
Yes.
It's a life skill. So money management is also a life skill, which we are not born with, and neither they were taught to us in school and colleges.
Right.
Right? These are situations where CFPs come into picture. Right? अगर आप
Okay.
filter करोगे अपने एरिया में कितने CFPs है.
No, I know very few people. I mean, this has been, so a lot of wealth management companies are there now,
Yeah.
which has come out. But yes, CFP as a certification बहुत
Yeah.
कम लोग हैं. अगर मैं आपको बोलूँ कि कंपनीज में अगर आप जॉब रोल्स देखते हो तो एक रिलेशनशिप एडवाइजर का एक रोल होता है, वेल्थ मैनेजर, तो और ऐसे क्या रोल्स हैं जो ऑडियंस देख सकती है कि मैं यहाँ जा सकता हूँ आगे.
So one beautiful thing that CFP course does is, unless and until you don't have a 2-year work experience, आपको CFP का tag नहीं मिलता है. आपको 2 years काम करना पड़ता है. The reason behind that 2 years is for anybody's financial plan to start, and you see that journey. 2 years is a good time to evaluate, have a look. Anybody hiring you today will not immediately put you in front of client or share any critical data immediately.
Right.
But what I suggest generally is, when you're doing your graduation, you have time by your side. And at least Mumbai, we know, I'm sure it's, outside Bombay also will be like that, where senior colleges, your graduation courses have colleges in the morning.
Right.
You have rest of the day for yourself, right? So what best you can do? Do a part-time job with CFPs, like practitioners like us, and there will be hiring. Believe me, there is a huge shortage of people, good people in the industry. When you work part-time, you know the basics of business. भले आपको salary मिले ना मिले, work as an intern. What you are gaining today is experience, जो नहीं मिलता है easily. Okay, very critical. And nobody told me when I was 16, 17. Okay, so if through our podcast, if people are watching us or hearing us, I think it's a wonderful platform that you guys are running. And CFP as a career, I mean, I'll vouch for it.
Now, when you look at the challenges, जैसे आप जब किसी का पैसा मैनेज करते हो तो उसमें challenges कहाँ आते हैं as an individual?
So I have built up my practice purely on reference. Okay, purely on reference. When people come to us and we tell them the reality, okay, and especially when people who are older to me, okay, so they might say, okay, you're so young, how will you advise us this way, or how can you say like that? But reality नहीं है, तो अब मुझे तो hard truth बोलना है. So I might say the hard truth, but the front person might not accept it. So that gap is always going to be there. The second part is when we actually look at in detail, people's understanding, okay. People don't want to talk these days. People don't want to meet these days. So
Okay.
you have the money, you don't have the skill set, but you want to hire a professional, but you don't want to communicate.
Okay, this is a big challenge.
You send me an email, I will reply. You send me a message, I will reply. But counter question, sometimes when we sign up a client, it takes 3-6 months for us to onboard that client
अच्छा,
and start the journey क्योंकि data ही नहीं देते हैं.
Okay.
Right, so data is very important, right? So suppose if you say I have inherited 10 crores and I think this is sufficient for my life, I will stop working. So sometimes you might feel, okay, 10 crores is enough, I think we'll chill and relax, go and buy a bungalow in Goa, chill and relax by the beach. But technically that boredom will catch up in 3 months. फिर क्या, right? So this challenge will remain, and as data we say we are a youngest nation in the world, right? So ये youngest nation 25-30 साल के बाद old भी हो जाएगा, right? Like Japan that we face, right? People will become more older if we are looking at that gap to be filled up, okay? So people's understanding for retirement corpus, okay, is just not there. And there was a lot of survey done in between by some companies on retirement. Suppose if I have to ask you, have you thought about your retirement, or what are your goals? So the moment you start listing your goals, now will be, I want to buy a house, I want to buy a car, I want to go for foreign vacation, upgrade my gadgets. But then retirement will come much later. So as a financial planner, my job is to take care of your risk management through insurance first. Then I will take care of emergency corpus, which is contingency or unforeseen events. Then comes your retirement planning. तो ये थर्ड पिलर है. टोटल 4 पिलर्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग, कोर. बाकी के पिलर्स है बट कोर ये है, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, इमरजेंसी फंड एंड रिटायरमेंट. सो रिटायरमेंट कम्स फोर्थ and it has to. Then will come house, vacation, car, jewelry, daughter's education, daughter's marriage. But we, or maybe as individuals who are from the non-finance background, for them understanding of financial planning is very less. Understanding the retirement goal, that's one goal that you're going to save money for, right? And the late you do, it's going to be more tougher. Because so suppose you're 22 and you start your career today. Suppose if you start your career today 22, you have to start investing for retirement from today, and not say जब मेरे बाल सफेद होंगे या मैं 55 साल का होऊंगा तब मैं सोचूंगा.
राइट. इसी के लिए तो जो यंग पीपल भी आ रहे हैं उनको भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि मैं इस स्पेस में आके काम कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर. करेक्ट, राइट. और रोल्स भी ज्यादा प्रोमिनेंटली नहीं दिखते. करेक्ट. तो अगर किसी को स्टार्ट करना है तो व्हाट ही कैन आइडियली डू, जैसे कौन से कंपनीज को उसको टारगेट करना चाहिए, sure. क्या रोल करना चाहिए, तो अगर आप उस पर बात करें. As I said, you know, if you're a pursuing graduate, vacation है बीच में, you have बीच में your time after your college, you have to work part time to know things, get a very high paying job, but at least learn, get the experience. That's one way of looking at it. Now, where do I look up? Our board is FPSB India. Okay, there's a website. वहाँ पर जॉब बोर्ड का एक सेक्शन भी है, वहाँ पर रोल्स भी होते हैं. एंड LinkedIn, if you use it right, it's an awesome place to be, because if I am going to hire, I actually post a hiring post on LinkedIn first, rather than going to a recruiter. That will go, but first post will go on LinkedIn. Okay, and believe me, Ganesh, sometimes I feel this younger generation is really good. Okay, we had some 300 CVs coming in 2 days. Wow. Okay, so if this generation is wanting to find job in personal finance, there are enough jobs. Now, how to look at companies, okay, that will be a little tougher. When it involves money, companies would give you targets, and those targets might help, push you to do mis-selling. Okay, so your andar ka atma has to agree to do that also, right? So that is going to be a little difficult, but practitioners like us, there are many people around us, okay, who are doing good work, ethical work, where client first is the thought. Okay, for us, if you ask me on integrity, client first. Sometimes when clients come back and say, okay, you told me no, not to invest in this product, but it was so fancy that time, the banker was telling me this, or that person was telling me this, or relative was trying to tell me this, I bought it. Now what do I do? Okay, so we don't go back and say कि मैंने बोला था तुमने सुना नहीं. We don't say that. We say, okay, let's find out. So go back and read the document, the terms and conditions document. Today's generation does not want to read. Okay, everything is video and audio. Okay, everything cannot be like that. Everything is on podcast. But some things you have to read. Okay, आप पढ़ाई करके स्कूल से बाहर निकले थे, फिर कॉलेज गए थे. That skill set is losing, I think, reading. In our office, we generally want people to read. So I, in between, had introduced saying everybody should read 10 pages a day, and we'll discuss. Or at least don't discuss with me. Discuss among yourself. Pick up any book, whatever you have.
or just a magazine, that finance magazine comes up or anything, read. And somebody who's taken an effort to write, it's got printed, right? So
Correct. But now when you look at the CFP career,
yeah,
बहुत बार ऐसे दिमाग लोगों को पर लगता है कि उसमें सेल्स है, तो कितना
Yeah.
पोर्शन आपका जो रोल है
yeah.
that is into sales and that is into
I
analysis?
can relate to this. Okay, so I was very hours on selling. I always had this thought back of my mind that मुझे sales नहीं करना है, मुझे product research, मुझे यही करना है. When I was working, job करती थी, तो I had to go and attend a client meeting with my business head, and he said, today's meeting you will lead. I said, I don't know how to sell. I said, you don't have to sell, you have to be like an advisor. So I said, but I don't know how to do it. He said, okay. So today, right now, I will do it, but the next meeting you have to do it. So I was so observant when he was talking. What has worked for us? Okay, I'll tell you. I tell people who are new in the career also, who come and ask me. So I do a lot of train the trainers event and all of that. So where I say that if you tell the person that this is the need for you, okay, that person will agree, will go back and do his homework and will come back to you. You have to create the need in the mind of the customer. Okay. If you ask me today, we have a team now. Okay. So back end operations, everything is handled by team. And now we've started segregating also clientele, and we are also putting people KRA in such a way that every person should know everybody's job. मतलब अगर 5 लोग ऑफिस में बैठे हैं, उन 5 को एक दूसरे का काम आना चाहिए, number 1. So that if one person is going to be on leave, nothing stops. And tomorrow you want to change your career, you can say, okay, I used to do mutual funds, but I have been doing life insurance also. So you have a backup also, you're yourself creating a backup. And the third part is, I think which works really well is कि sales to ये जो है ना, हम advisor है, we are consultants, right? So we are advisors. Though regulator does not allow me to say myself as an advisor, but I'm a CFP. So we say, okay, I'm going to do financial planning basis my CFP certification, but we are into distribution of financial products. So what is important is the moment we tell the client a journey. So I told you the 4 pillars. Now somewhere of the back of the mind you might be calculating कि हाँ इसने मुझे term plan बोला था, लेकिन let me go back and check my policy. So if you're going to go back and check your policy, it might be an endowment or a money back plan. So which is not a term plan. Okay. Then we spoke about health insurance, right? So health insurance also will work that way. Okay, if I'm going to Google, there will be a hell lot of data which will come on, right? I rather ask an expert. Then I say emergency corpus. So we speak about so much stuff which is like
fire ho gaya
fire and all is I'll tell you an experience on this. Okay, fire is something which is crazy. Okay, Economic Times does really well. ET Wealth has revamped their stuff, and they're putting up really good stuff on fire also. So fire is just too good for a YouTube, the hook basically for your videos so that people can watch you. We tell this to clients. I'll tell you a real client story. Okay, we had a client who told us we are 34 and 42 we want to retire. We tried having children, but we aren't able to medically, so we have given up that thought. We are going to be for each other. And then client said okay, we started investing for them, and believe me, as a financial planner, for me every day is a challenge. Okay, मतलब हमने आज plan किया, तो कल ना आके client मुझे कुछ और ही third story बताएगा. So this client came back in 4 years and said, okay, we are adopting a girl child. Okay, so then what happened was everything changed.
You cannot retire now, ना तो you'll have.
हाँ मतलब नहीं और पैसा लगेगा. So हमने उनको बोला कि आपको monthly you have to have a corpus of 6 crores, which will eventually multiply, and one spouse can work as a consultant, as a part-time stuff, so that your regular cash flow will take care, but you will have the money. Last year January, we called the client and said, you have the money, you can retire. He quit the job. In 4 months, he quit the job. He came back after 7 months and told me, I played with my dogs, I went and visited my parents, I did the farm to plate concept of gardening, we went and built up our farmhouse. Everything is done, but I'm bored now. I'm going back to my job. So then he told me, okay, I'll try with consultancy first. But forever he has been part of global teams on doing work. So he came back and told me, okay, consultancy mein maza nahi aa raha, another after 3 months. So after 3 months, he was saying, I will take a full-time job. Okay, we got the money done, we got the investments done. They were very smart and very, they listened to us basically, and they invested the way we told them. The moment they had the money, they tried to enjoy it, but they said, "मैं घर पे क्या करूँ full day? At 42, you can't be home, right?" So I had told him this, that okay, we'll get you the fire, okay, but what after that? आप क्या करोगे,
Right.
right? So when we're doing a retirement planning stuff, or even who people are going to retire today at 60, we tell them, सर कल से ना आप नौकरी पे नहीं जाओगे या कल से आप
उनके
रिटायर
लिए
हो
बहुत,
जाओगे.
it's a very
आइडेंटिटी लॉस नहीं फॉर एनीबडी. सपोज यू अचीव योर फायर ऑल्सो, क्या
Yeah,
करोगे कल से,
agreed. It is going to be for everyone. I agree.
right? So it's a misconcept, okay, only for the hook of the videos, but believe me, it's a hard truth. So if you don't have a plan B, that okay, you'll be very happy doing only gardening in your house, then that fire is for you. So clarifying these thoughts is my job.
Correct. One more connecting question, and which is related to women in finance. We
Yeah.
were talking about it.
Yeah.
तो ये नंबर कम है, पहले तो ये कम क्यों है, ओके, और कैसे बढ़ेगा?
When I started my career, I'll tell you, you will laugh at me right now. My boss used to send me for trainings, okay? Then go and learn. There's a training, go and know this product or learn about it. I used to go to those training rooms, and there'll be some 100 people sitting, half bald men, gray hair people with such big tummies and all of that. And like one or two women जो बेचारे डर के मारे will enter and go and sit in the corner at the end. Okay, 2 or 3 in room of 100. Okay, so we are at a ratio of 2 or 3% then. Okay, with time, women in finance are increasing. It will take time. Okay, and we are catching up. Okay, I will actually want to represent that clan. And globally, it is said that women are better financial planners. Shall I tell you an example?
Yeah.
As we were children, our mums used to put money in the burnies, right? In dibbas, chawal ke dibbe mein, aate ke dibbe mein, there will be money. If father is going to come and say there is a crisis, I need money, she will have a smile on her face and she'll go to the kitchen and bring back that money, say, take the money, right?
Correct.
So we were always better savers. Okay, so that is in our genes. So women are better financial planners. It's proven data, okay, globally. So we're going to Google. We have to take advantage of it, and women in workforce is increasing with time, and as a population also we are catching up. So पहले का ratio 1000 to 900 था, that is now catching up. So women are catching up. हाँ, gender diversity, gender bias, जो भी हम बोलेंगे वो रहेगा, वो globally भी है. Okay, how do we shut the noise and just move? You be focused and take your path that you want to. So if you are focused and you are clear on your thought, you can always have a good career, be it on job or be it on your practitioner also.
Right.
So I would actually, I have industry friends who are practitioners who didn't have so much of experience like me. Like 12 years it took me to decide that, okay, cut the noise and I want to be an entrepreneur. Okay, that was still a challenging time. So my father always told me कि जॉब नहीं चले, अच्छी खासी जो नौकरी चल रही है, पैसा आ रहा है, तुमको क्यों ये रिस्क लेना है, मत करो, ये करो, वो करो. But I said, okay, if it does not work, I'll still go back to work, right? Let me try at least, right? So if you don't try, मतलब it's like a typical saying, कहीं पहुंचने के लिए निकलना पड़ेगा.
Perfect. Wonderful. I mean, Nisha, this conversation is a mix of, जो हमने करियर के बारे में बात किया, आपके पर्सनल फाइनेंस का जर्नी के बारे में बात किया, और अभी फाइनली जो वुमेन इन फाइनेंस. सो दिस विल गिव अ स्लाइटली डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव टू आवर ऑडियंस, बिकॉज जनरली हम करियर पे ज्यादा बात करते हैं. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हमने डाइवर्सिफाई करने की कोशिश. तो निशा, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर टेकिंग आउट.
Thank you so much. A pleasure. Thank you so much.